Hello everyone, this is a recap of the trading session March 13th, 2012. The market today was a bit hard to read. We have FOMC day also, so usually a day where the market is very quiet in front of the Fed making their statement. So I was looking here for a short in the cable. We are on a downtrend. I still have that FIB expansion on here from the first move here to the downside, since we got to that 100 level bounce, but I still think after the trace back to that 20-day VWAP we could get to that 161 level here. Nevertheless, so far cable moving up here a bit. This morning we broke that major support level and we're testing that, retesting that level again, and the 2 hourly chart looked like it would move down from here, so I was looking for a short. I waited for everything to line up here. After a bit of consolidation here in the Asia session, I decided to go short here with the price showing some downward momentum and also below the VWAPs, below the pivot and below the moving averages. Only thing which wasn't online perfectly was shorter time frame moving average above the 30-minute 20 EMA here. So I went short at that point. As you can see, the price action was very choppy. A lot of up and down, up and down. My stop was above that level initially. And there we had also trade balance coming up today, so I decided to take out the trade just in front of the number for a 12 pip loss here. And as you can see, the price then went higher than in the US session here on better than expected retail sales, which have been positive for the dollar. That pair went down, and all of a sudden here we went up again. So very messy, unpredictable price action today here in the cable. I was actually also looking for a short in the euro dollar during the room time, but didn't have an entry I really liked. I was very close to taking a short, but didn't pull the trigger here. I was looking for a move back up to that 5D VWAP area, then a move down, another wave to the downside. And with that candle closing below the previous candle, actually got a short signal here in the 2 hour chart at least. As you can see, the target got hit here in the US session, and the situation was like this here in European session. And that was maybe an entry, but at that point we didn't even break that low point here yet, so we didn't have a lower low. I was looking for a move back to the pivot, a retrace to that area, and then a short, but never happened in the European session. Nevertheless, I said I will be extending the session for a few minutes. We also got numbers right at the end of the room, so the numbers came actually out better than expected, and euro dollar uh, didn't show any strength, so I went short here at 131.36, but that was, as I mentioned, after the official room time, so I didn't make it official trade, but put it in the chat, put also the stop levels and the target levels in the chat. Initially stop were above that area here, and I think about that swing high point here. Target levels, first target level was at 61.8 level here at 131.10. Second target level dimension 61.8 Fibonacci expansion level in the 2 hour chart, down at 130.60. As you can see, both target levels got hit. One was good up for about 25, 27 pips, and the last target level here for 65 pips. We also were able to put our stop to break even relatively soon, since that trade went well in the first minutes here. So I just put my stop to break even in the chat and told the guys, let the trades just run to the target levels, and people who took that trade now got some nice profit here.